Okay. Alright, let's get to absolute values or into enqala ngayo when it comes to calculus 1. What is an absolute value? What are absolute values? Was when masikhuluma absolute value of a number. What are we referring to? Anyone on an idea? Absolute value of a number. Yep. Yes, it's the distance of a number from 0. So masibhala sithi an absolute value, it is the distance of a number from 0. Sifuna ukubona ukuthi inumber yethu iqhele kangakanani from u-0. So if we make a number line, we are likely to have something like this, whereby u-0 wethu is at the center. On one side, some negative numbers. On the other side, we've got positive numbers. Say I take in number lana and I say, this is 1, 2, 3. Mangati I take 3. How far is 3 away from 0? How far? How far is 3 away from 0? No 3 from 0. 3 So the absolute value of 3 is what? Is 3. Okay, let me say I take minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. And saying highlights negative 3. How far is negative 3 away from 0? 3 units, because the distance we always measure it as positive, right? So basically, muscle counter is like 1, 2, 3. So a symbol for representing an absolute value, we actually say that we use lama lines, logical lines that say an absolute value of a number. An absolute value of negative 3. Labo line about 2 lava, they just mean absolute value of negative 3 is equals to bani 3. So shooting nanomi number in negative, but it distance from 0 is what? Is 3 units. So it's a final number safana ngesho. Nanoma ngathi absolute value of negative 2, what is it going to be the answer? 2 nakhona, because negative 2 is 2 units away from bani? From 0. So basically, in number I change engaphakathi. It's just that it distance esohlezi sithola njani? Positive. Even though you can put a negative number la ku absolute value side, the distance of that number from 0 kuba ubani? Kuba positive of that number. So if I say absolute value of negative 3 is 3, but also if I say absolute value of 3 is also equals to bani? Is equals to 3. So say I have got 2 numbers that are of the equal distance from ubani? From 0. For example, mangathi u3 no negative 3, bonke they are 3 units away from ubani? From 0. Mangathi negative 2 and positive 2, bonke they are what? 2 units from 0. For negative 1 and positive 1, 1 unit from 0. So for an absolute value sign, my sifuna we generalize into it, because as much as it is easier when there is calculus uses a generalization. We say that the absolute value of A is equal to A if A is what? Is greater or equal to 0. And then it is equal to negative A if A is less than 0. What does it mean? What can this possibly mean? So A manje. I got any idea? Any ideas? Okay, it's fine. Sitheni, mase no absolute value of negative 3, we get 3. Absolute value of 3, we still get 3. So it means that we always have got 2 numbers that give the absolute value njani efanayo. Okubani? Oku3 in this case. So lana ke into ithini? If a number yakho that is in the absolute value side, okay, asikale ngalena positive. If a number in the absolute value sign is positive, we should see log. We should see absolute value yakhona, it will be the same as that number. For example, mangathi absolute value of positive 100, it will be 100. So if a number ephathwa the absolute value is positive, then the outcome yakhona is banjani? Positive. That is why we say that the absolute value of A is equal to A if A is greater or equal to 0. Lo greater or equal to 0 should say positive angisho. Yes, it's just that my SSI generalize into it. So says if A number enjani a positive, then the absolute value ka A is olingana nobani nalo A. Just like if U3 a number positive, absolute value ka3 izolingana nobani? 3. Sayibona ngisho. So the first condition says uthini? Absolute value of A will just return A if A is a what? Is a positive number or is greater or equal to 0. Sayibona ngisho. Okay. What if A is a negative value? Meaning uthi phakathi we absolute value sign yethu sesinenamba enjani? A negative. One class in. Okay. So phakathi we absolute value sign yethu sesinenamba enjani? A negative. But yini enzekayo kwi absolute value yayo iba positive. How do you make a negative number to be positive? But multiply by negative 1 angisho. Yes. So if I've got absolute value of negative 3, for me to solve the absolute value, I have to say negative 1 times bani times the number ngaphakathi okubani negative 3, which will give me positive 3. So basically, in other ways, I'm trying to say if the number A is a number that is less than 0, meaning if A is a number that is negative, if A is a number that is negative, then the absolute value yakhona uzesithole senanjani? We say negative 1 times that absolute value. Sayibona ngisho? Yeah. So this is the general definition of the absolute value. Just simply a distance of a number away from 0. Alright, let's do some examples. Mangathi nakho I've got the absolute value of okay, let's just start with something enganjeni namanamba. 5 minus 3. Okay, ngiyazi to 5 minus 3 uyamazi. Bengingabhala absolute value of 2 nje lana once. But ngifuna ukuthi ubone le logic lena because le math inobulogic kancane. U5 minus 3, this is a bigger number ngisho. Minus a what? A smaller number. So we must get inamba enjani phakathi la? A positive. So it means whatever into engizoyithola la absolute value will be the same thing as what I have inside angisho. Yes. So this will be still the same thing, which is 5 minus 3, which is ubani? 2. Why ngavelanga ngabhala ukuthi absolute value of 2? Angazi nami, but sobona kahle. So what if I say the absolute value of pi minus 5? This is ubani without evaluating a value ka pi. This is ubani 5 minus pi y section J. Okay, asibukeni. Pi ulingana noba 3.14 angisho, just approximately 3.14. And this is minus 5. Akusho ukuthi vele kumele umsubstitute because remember guys, the calculus here and you don't use calculators in the exam. So basically, pi is a number that is less than ubani? Than 5. So mawuthi a smaller number minus a bigger number, what do you expect to get? A negative number. Shuthi by virtue, you already know ukuthi the expression enginayo la phakathi. This expression is what? Is negative. So the expression injani? Negative, because I'm saying smaller number minus bigger number. Shuthi automatically lana, the answer I'm going to refer back to its definition in absolute value. Absolute value definition is in if a number yami phakathi positive, I'm just gonna return the same value. But if a number phakathi negative, ngizothini? We multiply no negative 1. Nalento engaphakathi 1 we absolute value sign. Sayibona ngisho. Shuthi lana njengoba inamba yami negative, ngizothatha abani la condition 1 noma condition 2? Condition 2 angisho. Shuthi I'm gonna say negative 1 times the expression enginayo okubani? Pi minus 5. This will later on give you negative pi positive 5, which can be rewritten as ubani? 5 minus pi. Sayibona ngisho. So that's how you evaluate it. Okay. Kancane yanyuka ne level lento le. Asinyuseni ke sithi absolute value of x minus 5. Okay? Absolute value of x minus 5, of a number minus 5. And then I tell you that now x1 is less than 5. Now, absolute value of x minus 5 if x is less than 5. Is what's in the answer. Is what's in it? Anyone? 5 minus x. Why? Negative. But x as mass nje, x like yini esiyothi negative la ngoba x as mass. X is less than 5 angisho. Yes, so a smaller number minus a bigger number than it is going to be a negative expression. So automatically such expression elapha njani negative. So it means we must first say -1 times the entire expression engaphansi we absolute value sign. Okubani? X minus 5. And if you expand that, that is going to give you 5 minus x. Sayabona ngisho leyo nto. Kunzima manje? Okay, let's make it an absolute value of x minus 5 alone without any condition. Makunjena. Sorting. They didn't tell you that x is less than 0 or whatever. They didn't tell you anything like that. Two options angisho. Yes, because u-x lona kungenzeka ukuthi abe njani? Abe greater than ubani? Than u5. Kungenzeka ukuthi abe greater than ubani? Than abe less than u5 nakhona. Sayabona leyo nto angisho. So basically lana-ke you can either get the same expression of x minus 5, but you can only get this if x enjani? A greater or equal to bani? To 5. Means ukuthini? U-x wakho makuyinumber enkulu kuno-5. So mawuzo minus u5 kona, it means you're gonna get a what? A positive number. That is why the expression engaphakathi nanoma ungamazi u-x, as long as it's a number that is greater than 5, you're gonna get a what? A positive value of the expression. That's why you bhale kanje. Yep. Okay, u0 akahlahla unandawo lo o equal to singamnaki kakhulu because o equal to can suit at any places. Okay, masingafaka u5 exactly la sithola uba 5 minus 5 zoba u0 angisho. What is the absolute value of 0? 0. So u0 ahlahla is more like a neutralizer. It can never have any other distance away from u0. It's always u0. That is why u-o equal to ungamthole la noma ungamthola ela. You can either get u-o equal to wakho elaphaya noma ela, still the same. So u-o equal to awunandaba. Into ebalekile lo greater than nobani no less than. Because if inumber esinayo lana is greater than u5, definitely masothi leyo number mhlambe u10. 10 minus 5 so number njani? A positive. That's why yobani x minus 5. So izobuya njengoba injalo. Remember ibuya njengoba injalo mawuthi njani? I-positive into engaphakathi. Sayabona ngisho. And then mawuthi i-negative, since lana they didn't give us any condition, it means ngaba ne-condition enye ngisho. Any condition zothini? What would be the second condition? Bani? 5 minus x angisho. If what? If x is less than 5. So if when the x is number encane kuno-5, mhlambe u3. U3 minus 5 unjani? U-negative. So for you to be able to get the absolute value, you must first multiply by ubani? -1. That is why kule expression lesinayo phakathi siqala sithi -1 times lo x minus 5, which will give you minus x plus 5, which is the same thing as ubani? 5 minus x. In case ungabonanga 5 minus x. Sayibona nje lento. Yeah, simple. Simple as that for my absolute value. So any other combination, okay, let's say now you don't have a coefficient access x, access 1. Jumping into 2x minus 3. Now, what is the absolute value here without any condition? What is the absolute value? X must be what? Greater than 3. But lo x will multiply with 2 ngakhona. Because lapha bekungcono ngoba u-x mangavele ngiqambe inamba mhlambe ngithi u20 kuzoba inamba greater than 5 kube u20 minus 5 kube u-positive. Lana ke siwenza kanjani? Yebo Thabo. Yeah, o equal to ungakhathazeki ngaye anganoma ikuphi ya. 3/2. Simthola kanjani lo 3/2 amsho abanye bayabuza. Yebo. Exactly. So the first thing that we do, sithini, into engaphakathi, we do what? We equate it to 0. Because u0 angisho the absolute value is a distance of a number away from 0. So we must try to see ukuthi mayiku-0 ahlahle lana u-x uzoba ubani. Because if we know what value of x esingayifaka la engayenza ukuthi sithole u0 la, siyazi ukuthi masizoba less than leyo value sothola inamba enjani negative. Masizoba greater than that value sothola inamba enjani positive. Even though singafakanga any value of x. So first to take your expression you see 2x minus 3 ulingana nobani no 0. So 2x ulingana no 3 and x ulingana nobani no 3 over 2. So it means that when x is equals to 3 over 2, the expression lena mawuzo substitute 3 over 2 uzothola ubani 0. That is the central point of the absolute value. So it means that mangizothatha ama values are less than 3 over 2 kuzokwenzekani kule number yami kule expression izoba negative. Ungayitesta ngecalculator njengamanje ngoba usapractice ku-exam awunayo i-calculator. So ungayitesta manje uthatha inamba ephansi kwa-3 over 2 njengo-1. U1 uphansi kwa-3 over 2 angisho? Yes, because 3 over 2 1,5. So u1 mawungafaka u1 la this will be 2 times 1 ubani 2 minus 3. Say inamba enjani negative. Take any other value, take u0 for example. U0 is less than 3 over 2 angisho. Mawungafaka u0 la this will be 0 minus 3 ubani negative 3. It's a negative number. So basically this number, this value of x, it serves as a point because u0 uyi-neutral, awukho negative, awukho positive. So our values ga x are greater than 3 over 2 will give us a positive expression. But our values ga x are less than 3 over 2 will give us what? A negative expression. So it means that for me to get the expression njengoba injalo positive kanjeni, for me to get the 2x minus 3 njengoba nje, x1 must be what? Must be greater, or you can put it equal to any place. Must be greater or equal to bani to 3 over 2. Because mawulinga no 3 over 2 exactly is total 0 straight up. But basically for me to find a positive expression lana kumele ngithathe x ozoba njani ozoba mkhulu noma ulinga nobani no 3 over 2. Siyayibona leyo nto nje. Yeah. What is the other alternative expression esingaba nayo lana? Ngaba nobani? 3 minus 2x angisho? Yes. Sengiyibhale sekuyi-final but basically if wenza ukuthi x wakho is less than 3 over 2, inamba yakho izoba njani? Izoba negative. So it means le expression lena into engaphasi kwe-absolute value sign imultiply nobani? No negative 1 qala. So this is negative 1 times nobani? 2x minus 3 which will give us ubani? 3 minus 2x. So this only happens if x is what? Is less than 3 over 2. Sayibona ngisho? Yeah. Once you understand that basic, izokuthwala lento le usemester 1 wonke. Akukho la ungeza ukuthola ilotho njani absolute value. Kwama functions, kwama limits, kwama differentials, so hlezi khona absolute value. Very important. To those doing physics, absolute value means magnitude. Uzoyidinga. To those doing computer science, uzoyidinga. So ningacabanga ukuthi lento lesifunda ngoba mhlambe sporekile. No, it's very important for you to know the absolute value of a number. Sayibona ngisho. All right. So I think I requested you guys to send ilothu njani tutorial 1. Oh yeah. Nice. So from a tutorial 1 asiboneni ukuthi sikhaveni. So from a tutorial 1 we've already covered u1 to 10. Senzokwazi ukuphendula u1 to 10 angisho. Hey, angeze ukwazi ukumprojector la WhatsApp awukho la. But basically from your tutorial 1 mhlambe singathatha ama problems eniwafunayo ambala awu2 kuphela because we're still gonna do the same thing. Take 2 problems from tutorial 1 between number 1 and 10. Take any 2 problems yasheshayo khona sokwazi ukumove to other inequalities associated with the absolute value. 4. Okay. So number 4, okay, amanye nizokwazi ukwenza abo pi minus 2 nani nani. So if I say I've got the absolute value of the absolute value of negative 2 and then minus the absolute value of negative 3. Now, so this one has got actual numbers. Should say uzothola in number a value straight. Uzothola in number straight. So lana ke unama absolute value sign now 2. Une absolute value of the absolute value of negative 2 minus absolute value of bani of negative 3. So fune absolute value yakho konke lokho. You evaluate lama expression lawa phakathi kuqala. Absolute value of negative 2 siyamaza ngisho. u2 angisho. Absolute value of negative 3 u3. So you just replace that and say this will be equals to the absolute value of 2 minus 3. What is 2 minus 3? Negative 1. Sayibona ngisho. And when it's a negative number, what do we say? We multiply it by obani? By negative 1. Iba positive. So that's the answer. Yeah. Simply put, is there anything difficult kule? We evaluate lokho okuphakathi kuqala and then you evaluate the outer part. That's all. So basically those are known as absolute values. If you didn't know what absolute values are, shuthi suyawazi ke manje. So masikwazi ukusolve ama-absolute value, we can be able to solve the inequalities associated with absolute value. I'm sure you know the difference between an equality and inequality angisho. Yeah, into equation, sibiza nge-equation ine-equal sign angisho. Inequality inobani? Greater than, less than. Sayibona ngisho. Yeah, but we still apply the same techniques. Once you understand the technique esenze laphaya, lama techniques esenze laphaya, you'll be able to solve the other ones. Okay, so khona ama laws of absolute values that are associated with inequalities. So let's look at absolute value. Let's just say inequalities. So sesobuka ke uthi if singenayo equal sign, mhlambe sino greater than or less than, what happens? Lento le it needs demonstration. So la eceleni gonna put my beautiful demonstration lana baku 0 wami, and I'm going to put negative 1, negative 2, 1 and positive 2. What I say. So let us start with the basic first property of the absolute value that you're gonna take, of the absolute value inequality. If I say the absolute value of x is less than 5, what must be x? Table. So lana ke awuzukuvela uthi x is equal to 5. Awu cha. Because nobani no less than laphaya. Asibonisiseni kahle ngendlela ene logic kancane. So x angaba nanoma yiphi number ungayithatha la. All right. So let's look at absolute value of x is less than 5. But let's just write it general local. The absolute value of x is less than a will give you what? This will give you a is greater than negative x and less than positive x. It's fine. This is just a general way of writing it. But if you see illustrate, see demonstrate, you can understand that. All right. What do we have here? Mangathi mina x wami u2 for example. The absolute value elingana no 2. Mangaka ama numbers that have got an absolute value of 2. How many numbers have got an absolute value of 2? Awu2. Ubani? U2 no negative 2. Angisho. So always, whenever we've got a certain distance away from 0, it means this can be the absolute value of negative 2, or this can be the absolute value of bani 2. So let's just mark this as our critical points. Yebo. Oh, yes, ngiyabonga kakhulu lapho. So this is negative a less than x and x less than positive a. Yes. Thank you. All right. So I see illustrating ke manje. U2 or distance yethu away from 0, noma we absolute value. It can either be the absolute value of bani of negative 2 noma of bani of positive 2. So ngizowamarka as ama critical points. We call these critical points these ones. These are your critical points. So from lama critical points, mangathi mina I want to get a distance away from 0 noma an absolute value that is less than u2 noma ngifuna ukuthola i-distance less than u2, kumele ngiqhele kangakanani from lo negative 2. Mhlawumbe ngine value ka-x, just any arbitrary value, any value nje engashintsha ka-x, kumele ibe ngakuphi kwa negative 2 ukuze i-distance yami between that number and u0 for it to be less than 2. Yeah, sengiphinde kabusha futhi. Okay, now my critical points wethu just i-distance from la to la ubani u2 nala to la ubani u2. So ngifuna i-value ka-x, any number x and I want that number to have the absolute value less than ubani, less than 2. Ngokwe logic ngizama ukuthi ngifuna leyo number ibe ne distance enjani less than 2 from 0. So kumele ibe kuphi kahle kwalo negative 2? Must it be on that side or on the other side? Which side? This side. Okay, mangathatha okay sithi manje u-x wami la. This distance is going to be less than 2. Why do you say that? Obviously, I want to geometry ngisho la. Because whether this is 2, so it means anything between negative 2 and 0 is going to be what? Definitely going to be less than ubani? 2 distance yakho. Same applies if I go to the positive side. Ngithi mhlambe ngifuna ukufaka i-x value enjani? E-positive. Leyo x value positive ukuze ibe ne distance encane kuno 2 because from la to la u2 angisho. So ukuze i-distance yabe ibe incane kuno 2, kumele ngiye ngalena noma ngize ngapha. Ngize ngapha ngisho. So towards this direction, nangale towards this direction. So from here you can just make a mathematical statement. You say whatever x value that I have, let's just say mhlambe it's a question. It says the absolute value of x is less than 2. So it means lana I've got an unknown number, an arbitrary number. Must it arbitrary? It means it can be any number ngisho. So it can be any number engizoyibiza ngo x. But leyo number must definitely have a distance from 0 enjani less than 2. So leyo number kumele ibe kuphi? Kumele ibe njani? 2 negative 2. Must it be greater or less than? Less than ubani? Negative 2. Less. Guys, negative lo. Mangla, negative 1 is it greater or less than negative 2? Greater ngisho. So basically mangizama ukuthi mina inumber yami must be there. It means it must be what? Greater than negative 2. So my answer here would be like whatever that value of x enginayo must be greater than bani? Must be greater than negative 2. Asho siyabona then yafana with x is greater than bani? Negative 2. Ukuze ingadluli lo ya 2 omunye, sithi kumele ibe kuphi? Ibe ngapha ngisho. Inumber yakho it must be here. So if we pick any random number or any value of x elan, it would definitely be less than ubani? U2, i distance yakhe from 0. Like absolute value yayo would definitely be less than ubani? U2. So it means that this x value must also be less than ubani? U2. So this is the answer for the expression. Okay. Masibona leyo logic yakho nasibukeni nayo lelo. Isho okuhlukile yini? Ayisho okuhlukile. Should say the absolute value of x, an unknown number x, for the absolute value of x, no matter for the distance of x away from 0 to be less than a, then x wakho must be any number between negative a nobani no positive a. So any number between negative 2 nobani no positive 2. Should see if I pick any random number, you see the absolute value of x is less than 5. Or the distance of an arbitrary number to be less than 5. Lo x1 must be a number between nobani negative 5 nobani no positive 5. So your 5 there, your 5 no negative 5, they serve as a critical point. Call them critical points. Sayibona ngisho. Makuno less than njalo ngisho sisi expressile la nanavuma ukuthi ingapha. So ma isesibhala ngokwemethe manje. Seyothi mayingapha it means it's what? It's greater than negative 2. Mayingapha it means it's what? It's less than negative 2. When less than 2 ngaleni njalo. Sayibona ngisho. Yeah. So this is the first law of absolute value. That's the first one. Let's do the same thing, send the illustration, because I believe what's in Ibona kahle makuyi illustration kanjena, because you can just get the answer right there. Before sibhala as a law, let's say I still take the same points, negative 1, negative 2, positive 1, positive 2. Sharp. Now I say my critical point is going to be negative 2 and bani and 2. Let's just say I say the absolute value of x is greater than 2. So a critical point yami sayile lama points lawo that are at a distance of 2 from ubani from 0. So nakho ke ngiyabuza ke manje mina sibuyiseni kahle le number line yethu. It's just the number line that we learned from grade R. So mina ngithini, i distance between negative 2 and 0 it is still ubani u2. Distance between 0 and 2 is still ubani u2. Manje ke sengifuna ukuthola any number. U-x means just any arbitrary number that you can choose out there. Any random number. So any random number engifuna ukuyifaka le ka x. ngifuna ukuthi ibe njani yona i-absolute value yayo ibe greater than 2. Zama ukuthi ngifuna ukuthi i-distance yayo from 0 ibe greater than ubani than 2. So leyo number, leyo value of x mangifuna ukuthi ibe greater than 2 kumele ibe kuphi kwalo negative 2. I'm sure these are my critical points. Kumele ngize ngapha noma kumele ngiye ngale ngapha ngisho. So it means ukuthi for me to get a number that will be at a distance that is greater than 2 from 0, that number must be less than ubani negative 2. Sayibona ngisho. Okay, asithathe inumber mhlawumbe negative 5. Negative 5 is somewhere here. Maybe this is our negative 5. If distance ka negative 5 from 0 is what? Is 5 units angisho. And is greater than ubani 2. Kahle mina ngifuna ukuthi whatever number engizoyipick, i-distance yayo away from 0 must be what? Must be a number bigger than ubani 2. So ngiyazi ukuthi mangila ku negative 2, the distance is exactly what? 2. But mangizoya kulama number angalena to the left hand side of negative 2, ngizothola i-absolute value noma i-distance enjani e-greater. Sayibona ngisho. Akusho lokho ukuthi u-negative 5 mkhulu kuno-negative 2, singayididi leyo. Kusho ukuthi i-distance ka-negative 5 from 0 okuyi-absolute value njalo, it is greater than i-distance ka-negative 2 from ubani? From 0. Singaze sithi thina this implies ukuthi x is greater than 2. No. This implies that the distance of the number x is what? Is greater than ubani? 2. The distance away from 0 njalo. Lokho siphinde i-definition ye-absolute value. So ashathe for that to happen, I know ukuthi my x value must be what? Must be less than ubani? Negative 2. But nginomunye u2 ngalena ngisho. Another critical point there. For me to get a distance that is greater, I'm sure ngifuna a distance away from 0, it must be greater than 2. Must it be ngalena noma ngalena, to the right or to the left? To the right angisho. So if I go to a number such as positive 5 ngalena, that positive 5 will be at a greater distance than ubani? Than 2. So we should see log, should say whatever number that I will pick, whatever x value must be greater than ubani? 2. Sayibona ngisho. Yeah. So this is how you solve the absolute value. So now sesoyithatha ke thina sithini? Sithi now the absolute value of x is greater than a implies ukuthini? Implies ukuthi for this to happen, basically it means that x must be less than ubani? Negative a. And x must be what? Greater than positive a. Sesibhala ngendlela general to say ukuthi a can be any number, x can be any number. Siboyijwayeza nje ukubhala izinto ngendlela general, because yonke into is usually you are generalizing, you're not using actual numbers. Sayibona ngisho ukuthi imi kanjani leto lena. Yeah, you can use any other set of numbers to do the same thing, but now illustration that I will have for you. Sayibona. All right, let's look at some problems here now, because masonama problems you just need to use the laws. Ungasenzi lento le engiyenzayo lana. This is for illustrative purposes only. Uthi ubone ukuthi iqhamuka phela. So manje ke, let's say we pick a problem from your tutorial of an absolute value inequality. Simple one first. Absolute value of x is less than 3. What is the solution of this? What is the answer? Absolute value of x is less than 3. Negative 3 is less than x and x is less than 3. So vele this time your critical point is ubani u3. So say x wakho kumele abe inumber ephathi kwa negative 3 nobani no 3. Ukuze distance yayo leyo number away from 0 ibe njani? Ibe less than 3. Sayibona ngisho. Is it hard? You just use the law, you just substitute into the law. So simple ones. Asinyuseni level kancane. Let's put an expression inside such as absolute value of x minus 4 is less than 1. Yabona my expression yakho akusese u-x oyi-1. Leyo number ozoyifaka ewu-x, samele uyi-minus nobani? No constant u-4 again. So you think about it. Ungaveli uthi nje u-x is between negative 1 and 1 as if lo negative 4 exists. Yabo. Because leto le ayifani nokuthi absolute value of x is less than 1. Ayifani. Because leto le ithi uthi u-x leyo number directly yona ungayenzanga lutho. Kumele ibe with distance less than ubani? 1 from 0. But manje leyo number mase ngiyiminus ngo4 akusese inumber eyi1 angisho sekuyi expression. That's why we call it an expression. Futhi ahlahle mina ngizama ukuthi le expression lena u(x minus 4) must be at a distance that is less than ubani 1. So thini ke la? What will be the solution? -1 less than +1. Choose uthatha the entire expression. Uthatha yonke into ephansi kwale absolute value sign, you put it between u-1 nobani no1 because kuno less than laphaya. And then now you solve it. What must be the value of x for that to happen? How can you solve the inequality ke? Laws when our high school sitting. We do what? We transpose angisho. But mau transpose allow transposer on both sides angisho. So transposer ngalena uba no +4 ngalena nangalibe nobani +4. So say this is -1 + 4 so thola ubani 3 or positive -4 + 4 x and then 1 + 4 5. So it means the actual value of x ozoyifaka la osazoyiminus ngo4 ukuze i-distance yakho ibe less than 1. Leyo x value must be between 3 and 5. Thatha enye inamba ungathi ungayitesta lento le. Thatha inamba ephakathi kwa3 no5. Mhlambe ubani u4. Mawungafaka u4 la this will be 4 - 4 angisho. So absolute value of 0 is 0 and 0 it is less than 1. So that's a true expression. It's a logical expression lena in math terms. Sayibona ngisho. Yes. It's a true logical expression. Ngowe computer science it's yini? Ibiza ngani? Boolean expression. Noma ngafiki. It's a logical expression, it's a Boolean expression, call it whatever. So this is a true expression. So mawuzo substitute leyo number, this expression must be true. Mawunga substitute any number that is not in this range. Mhlawumbe uthathe inumber less than 3. Ngabonga njengo 2. Mawungafaka u2 - 4 la uzothola ubani? -2 angisho. And the absolute value of -2 ubani? U2. U2 is it less than 1? No. It's a false expression. So automatically you can always confirm the answer yakho from that. Yabonala lento angisho. Yeah, that's simply it. Nothing else. Let's just put u or equal to nje for u or equal to ngithe ungenana noma yikuphi. Awunandaba. So mangabhala la ngithi absolute value of x is greater or equal to 3. Lana kusho uthini? U or equal to uzomteka nje along using the same laws. When uzona lo greater than bese ufaka ubani or equal to ngangena noma yikuphi. So in this case ngifuna ukuthi i-distance yale number ibe greater noma ilingane nobani no3. So ngizoyenza kanjani lana? X must be what? Less or equal to bani? -3 angisho. And also x you can say or there, or x must be what? Greater or equal to 3. So lo equal to just takes along. Vele if x wakho -3 exactly, your distance is going to be what? 3. If x wakho +3 exactly, your absolute value is ubani? 3. So that's why you are just taking or equal to anywhere we go. So sayibona ngisho. Yeah, that's simply it. Khona umuntu oxayekayo la so far. Sesenzile ama equations or absolute value, sesenzile ama inequalities. Khona oxayekayo. You just need to apply those laws kuphela. Yeah. O awuhlanzi nakuphi nalokho phezulu? Hayi lokho cha. Awukwazi ukuhlanganisa lokho. Because asizami masingafaka u3 ngaphakathi ukuze masingafaka u-x ngaphakathi njalo. Lo x lo kumele abe greater than ubani? -3. So masingathi greater or equal to -3. Ngalena sothi bani? X must be -1. Or this is less or equal to 3, -3 angisho. So x must be angeke uzikwazi ukuhlanganisa izoba kanje azobhekana kanje and akuzikwenzeka. You can only do that when you are doing le less than. But lena ke we just have two separate conditions. Yabonala ngisho. All right. And then What about these ones? We have got a couple of proofs as well nakhona after lana. Solve the equation for x when you have got something like this. Let's say I solve Njama problems, but basically we are done with the concept. Absolute value of x plus 3 minus absolute value of 2x plus 1. Solve the equation for x. Or is equals to njalo. Kwazi ukuba equation manje. Nakho. Sinje nayo manje singayithini indaba kanje. Funa ukuphuzelwa amahewu. Indaba serious kakhulu. Singenza kanjani then? Absolute value of x plus 3 is equals to absolute value of 2x plus 1. Anyone ungaba ne-idea? Anyone with an idea? So you equate both sides. Or sithi lo nolingana lo. Square both sides. Okay, as I couldn't come I must not square both sides. Huh? Awungizwa njalo. Noma ilokho kushoya ngisho. Sengasebenza nakhona. Bese senza kanje ngaphela. Aza abahlekayo bahlekani futhi lapha emuva. Bese senza kanjani? Up square. The times noba. X plus 3 kanje. But now absolute value yethu nyamalela kanjani? Yona umbuzo. Cause masuthi x plus 3 kuphela bangathi x wakho is only like one value. Absolute value very already telling you see you've got two options. But nice try. The approach yakho bizosebenza if you guys knew the law of absolute value squared. What is the square of an absolute value? This law. If I say absolute value squared, so square root of ban. Oh, njalo. Square root of absolute value squared. So do we get a or positive or negative a? Awanenza ngiloye kanje. Negative a. Positive a alone with no negative. You'll probably find out later why is that. It's because the square root has got two options. So it's a plus minus always. So if you're doing square roots of an absolute value, it's always going to give you the positive of that particular thing. So I thought after the squaring part, he was going to do something like that. But let's try another way futhi. Asamenye indlela mawuthi lena ayikwazi ukusifikisa. Khona nenye indlela. Anyone wanna try? Yeah. Yebo. X plus 3 equals to 2x plus 1 or okay. Khona into ekhona la bese siyasolve. Siyayibona ngisho. Yes. So now I'm absolute value on both sides. You can ignore one. Ignore enye bese express enye. In what way? Lo x plus 3 lon una absolute value, right? But just write it as x plus 3. But lo absolute value of 2x plus 1 we express it in both ways, because you know see absolute value of 2x plus 1 can either give us ubani u2x plus 1 angisho. If x is what? If x is greater or equal to 1 over 2 or negative, right? And it's negative into 2x plus 1 if x is what? Less than negative 1 over 2. So you know this one in optional 2. Then you just ignore it, keep it constant. Or you can choose the other one corner, you still get the same answer. Choose the x plus 3 ngizomdropha njengoba enjani. But lo 2x plus 1, njengoba ngizom-equate to lo x plus 3, I will equate the first option, lega x is greater equal to negative half. Bese ngi-equate the second option then, x is less or equal to negative half. Then I solve. You can also do the same thing on the other side. Ugcinele i-2x plus 1, ungawenza ama-option awu-2. Bese leka x plus 3 wenza ubani, u-x plus 3 nobani, no-negative x plus 3. Still the same thing, you must get the same answers now. So the rest is your mathematics there. If uzothatha ngale ngaswa no-3x ngale sibe nobani, what are you gonna have ngale? Gonna have x is equals to bani? S is equals to bani? 2 or positive. Or the other option that you can have lapha, let's just distribute lena kuzoba minus 2x minus 1 angisho. So ngizothi minus 2x minus 1. So lana obvious, you do your basic high school maths. Take this one ngale kuzoba ubani? 3x angisho. On the other side so nobani? Minus 4 angisho. So x can also be negative 4 by 3. You can now prove your equation by putting any of those values. You can put x is equals to 2 here and try to see what is the absolute value equal. Mangafaka u2 lana, this will be 2 plus 3 angisho. Ngithola ubani? U5. If I do the same thing and put actually absolute value of 5 is 5 there. And then if I put the same 2 here, this will be 2 times 2, which is 4 plus 1, so ubani? U5 nakho. So the expression is true. Manje. Or ungathatha yena lo negative 4 over 3, substitute lana, uphinde substitute lana, and try to see what are you getting the same thing on both sides of the equal sign. If you are, then you get a happy birthday beyond. So we totally sayibona ngisho. So you just ignore one side. Leli side leli value by x plus 3. But leli li express in its two options because the absolute value should say ni sama option awu 2. Yabonala. Yeah. So that's how this goes. Hamba kanjalo. So you guys will do the other tutorial problems because inina enfuna ukupass. So practice and practice and practice. But there are many other proofs that you can research, guys. There are many proofs where from absolute value. There is a triangle theorem, triangle inequality. There is also what? There is also this one. Absolute value of A. When you find the absolute value of AB, it is the absolute value of A multiplied by the absolute value of B. Absolute value of A over B is the absolute value of A over the absolute value of Bani of B. You can prove them in your spare time. This is when I'm proof. And then what else? What is the other one? Yipain inekhumbulayo. So yeah, what are lower important? You can prove that because part of your tutorial says prove that this is this and this is this. And they gave you a hint. So hamba research based on it. Siyatholana what? Ama-basic inequality wase-high school hhayi ngizokwenzisa. Hhayi mfethu ngisaya high school vele iningi sifaka high school. So basically ama-inequality amanye lawa ajwayelekile you will do them on your own. But as for absolute value side, absolute values and inequalities, that's the end of the topic. Khona nombuzo? Anyone with a question? Okay. All right. 1 hour absolute values. Okay, this is just why the topic was less than an hour and it's because absolute values, they are very simple.